For big family kitchens where dishes never stop, a multi-cycle dishwasher plan lets you run simultaneous loads without disrupting daily life. Start by choosing 2 quiet, high-efficiency dishwashers rated at or below 40 decibels for normal cycles, so conversation and nap times are not interrupted. Select models that offer true multiple cycle types, including heavy, normal, sanitary, and express, so you can match wash intensity to load soil levels and conserve water and energy. Prioritize units with delay, start, and sanitize cycles so you can schedule a high-heat sanitation run overnight or between meal peaks while meeting health needs for baby items and cutting boards. Add removable utensil caddies and adjustable racks to each machine to optimize space and speed loading. Load silverware with handles down and avoid nesting bowls to ensure full spray coverage. Where local code permits, plan separate drain connections to reduce backflow risk and allow simultaneous runs without overloading a single drain. If only one drain is available, install a higher capacity air gap and check municipal limits. Finally, design the layout for service access with a minimum of 12 inches clearance at the sides and ensure electrical circuits are dedicated and properly sized to prevent nuisance trips. Common mistakes include installing 2 noisy units that fight each other for quiet in the same space, which you avoid by choosing models under 40 decibels and testing sound reports before purchase. Another issue is overloading machines or nesting items, which cuts cleaning performance. The remedy is to train household members to pre-rinse only when needed and arrange items so sprays reach all surfaces. A third concern is plumbing overload or code violations by sharing drains. Solve this by consulting your plumber early, planning for separate drains or a compliant high-capacity air gap, and verifying local rules before purchase and installation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners plan multi-dishwasher kitchen projects by connecting us with local contractors and sharing practical installer and layout experiences. We also help contractors find work and join a discussion community where we trade model recommendations, noise measurements, and hands-on installation tips.